What's up, guys? So what I was gonna do today is clean this up, and but actually first off I'm going to take out the track and the skid in it, and that way it's just a little bit lighter. That way I can float it around with the sled dolly. It's just a little bit easier to wash up and move around and stuff. So I'm gonna take that out, and you guys can be along for the ride, and let's do it. Let's do it up. So it looks like the bolt snapped off that goes inside there. That's not really good. So that'll be fun trying to get out. Okay, so I got the track out, skids out. So everything looks pretty decent. I have to check up there, but I didn't see any antifreeze leaks or anything, so looks like it might have just gotten a little scuffed up. Now she's ready for a good pressure washing. Hey, what's up, guys? So the last time you guys saw this sled was when it was extremely dirty. I went through and power washed it, and well, this will be in the same video, but this was like 6 months ago, and I got a tunnel extension for it, so that's cool. Yeah, we got it all pressure washed and looking nice. Actually, one of the better pressure washing jobs I've done, so came out really good. But we've been super busy, that's why I haven't posted a lot. I got the racelet over there. I got the skid taken out of that. That's getting powder coated, and I'm just changing up a few things with that. We've been extremely busy with camping and redoing the trailer and summer stuff. I got that new jet ski over there and the four-wheeler, and the jet ski, I had just turned the motor out of that and everything. So it's just been a busy summer, and I'm starting to kick back into the sleds now and starting to get more parts in for some stuff. The next thing with this is that we're going to be doing the engine. So, and I'd like to get the A-arms and stuff repowdered because they're kind of ugly. So we'll probably do that too. But yeah, no, the engine would be the next best thing to get that. That's over there on the bench. That's a project too. But yeah, I finally got the skid all set up for this. I'll show you guys in the next clip there. I'll show you the skid quick. Okay, so here's what we have. We have a 136 Sawyer Racing, the Ice Age rails that I picked up from a buddy of mine that I race with. So everything from the 121 SC4 bolts up to this, and then it extends it out with a true factory 136. Yeah, see, this made by Ice Age, but also Sawyer Racing. So, yeah, this will be fun. That's gonna go in that's a 136 going underneath that, and so now I'm gonna put the tunnel extension on and probably button up the chain case a little bit and put everything back in. I'm gonna put the grass track on it. I'm gonna try to race a few grass drags and put that all together. So that'll be fun. Yeah, we'll get into it. Okay, there we have it. There's a tunnel extension. I got this one used for $70. Trax USA normally sells them for $100, and I think SLP sells them for $170. So they're pretty expensive for what they are. They're not much, just a piece of aluminum bent in a couple places and riveted. But yeah, so now we're ready to put the cogs and the track in, and we're ready to put the skid in after that. But that'll be in the next video. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching, and hope to see you soon.